Hi YouTube, welcome back to Wtf Rc Cars. So, we have some skin kits for the NB4, and I believe these would fit the NB4 Plus, just not the wheel bit. Unfortunately, we ain't got any of these for the Pro yet with a bigger base battery. But I think pretty much the rest of it should fit the Pro, because there's only the base battery that's a different size. Maybe I'll try and stick one of these on a Pro. But these are from Soarsky, so big shout out to them as always. Link will be in the description below. And we have a really nice reflective purple one sent. We have a stunning bright yellow one. And this is my favourite, but possibly going to be the hardest to show on camera. So it kind of changes colour and it's like a carbon fibre effect. But I think this one's going to live on my Pro or on the maybe NB4 Plus. But let's bring in for a close-up look. I'll have a quick look what you get in these packets, and then I'll stick one on a controller. I'm probably not going to record that because it will be a very boring 3/4 of an hour watching me stick bits of sticker to a controller. But I will probably put a few on and show you the end result. Probably more interesting. Right, let's bring in for a close-up look. Right, so we'll pick one at random. We're probably better off this purple one because it should show up better on camera. But they come all nicely packaged. And I do like the fact that they come in resealable packets. Or at least mine have. Because these big bags come in really handy when you built an RC to put all the leftover bits or spares in them. And because this is paper, you can even write on it which RC it is. But basically, we get these skin packs, and these are really nice. They're all cut out, ready for you. You may have to do a tiny bit of weeding, like there's a tiny little hole in that pops out. I think that goes off at front of the adjuster. If you've got the original NB4 wheel, you've got some trim for that. Then we've got the extra parts for the base battery and the side trims. If I can remember, they go on where the wheel goes. But to cut the guesswork out, they do give you an entire guide with all the parts numbered and where they go. So these long bits, number 7, they do go on that little shoulder down to the wheel. And then you've got the bits for the base battery, tells you where they all go. So, I maybe fancy a bright purple NB4 Plus. So, I'll grab my NB4 Plus and I'll see how I go fitting these, and then I'll show you the finished article and tell you if there's any pointers of any bits that are awkward or things you might need to do. So, there we have it. It's all on. It all fits. And to be fair, I think it looks pretty nice. The purple does seem to go really well. You get enough to go around the edge of this. You get enough to do both sides and quite far round this part. And this. We get the back of the wheel. All the way around here. The top of this. Little line at top. I've just cut the laser etching out. You get the sides, we get the band around this bit, you get the covers for the little dials, side at radio, sides, top, bottom, front, back of the battery base, and the sides for here and the back, front for here. Not sure whether putting one on that's a good idea because the antenna's behind that. But it does all fit. Now, for the next bit, does this go back on? If I can remember which way round it is. So, doesn't feel like anything's restricting it fitting that way. Let's see if we can get the base back on. does look like it's all going to fit. So just in case any of you are wondering if it will stop you using your aluminium protectors, it does look like if you use the Soarsky protector with the Soarsky sticker kit, it does fit nice. And I really do like the effect of that gold against the purple. Even managed to put the little tiny bit around the wheel. Not sure how long that'll stay on, but it's on there and it does look quite nice. The speakers holes are cut out. You do have the cutout for the adjustment. The hole isn't cut out for the tensioner on the bottom of the wheel, but you could just poke it through. But it does cover the top and bottom at battery base. So yeah, I'm quite impressed with that. Certainly fits on the NB4 and the NB4 Plus, no problem at all. And I think you could pretty much use most of this kit on the NB4 Pro battery. I mean, for the Pro, you'd have to pop these off to get the actual sticker set to stick on. But you could use the centers, so the little dots, you could use them on them just the same. It's just going to fall a little short on the battery. And obviously you couldn't use the base, but width wise they're pretty much identical. So maybe you could use a piece of the bottom that you're not going to be using and extend it. I might have to have a try with one, but yeah, it does look really nice. Big shout out to the guys at Soarsky for this one, and let's wrap this one up. So there we have it, sticker kit protection for the NB4 and NB4 Plus at the moment. As I said, I haven't seen one for the Pro, but you've got a bit of spare material that wouldn't be used on a Pro if you want to try and make it fit on a Pro, or you could just space it. Wouldn't really be an issue, but all the rest would fit. And as I say, if I get time one day, I might try and stick some on it. But wasn't really sure about this purple until I saw it out of the packet, and it's really, really reflective. But I think it goes really well against the gold. So thanks again to the guys at Soarsky. Link will be in the description below. And thanks for watching Wtf Rc Cars. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Share to friends and family. And catch you guys and your bling transmitters in the next one.